Hi guys, Tom here. Just wanted to share an article that came out recently from Edith Cowan University over in Perth, which looked at men with prostate cancer and androgen deprivation therapy who underwent a 12-week exercise program to see if there were some effects on their tumour growth. And what they were looking at were these special immune cells called myokines. Now these are immune cells that are suppressed by muscles during exercise. And they've found in studies previously that when you take young, healthy men and exercise them to a moderate intensity and take their blood and then spin it around, that the blood, the clear part of the blood, which has got all the good stuff, all our immune cells and everything else, if they lay that over a tray of prostate cancer cells, that they got reduced cell growth. This study was quite interesting because this was men who had prostate cancer and had been on androgen deprivation therapy. Now, androgen deprivation therapy heavily reduces a man's muscle mass, increases their fat mass, and also decreases their bone density. Now, we know exercise can do a great deal of work to reduce those effects, and actually the right amount of bone loading can actually increase the bone density rather than having a loss of bone density for men who have prostate cancer or on androgen deprivation therapy. The interesting thing about this study was that, as we know, these men had prostate cancer. They trained them for 12 weeks, and then they took a sample of their blood and put them over another line of prostate cancer cells in the lab. And they saw a reduction in the growth rate of those prostate cancer cells in the lab. And so this is leading them to look further into myokines and how they have an effect on tumour suppression, particularly in men with prostate cancer. So we'll add the link for the article below and have a read. Cheers.